Google has taken an unusual step with the launch of the Pixel 9a. While the phone was officially announced today, the company has decided not to open pre-orders right away. This move is unexpected since Google usually starts taking orders as soon as a new device is revealed. According to a statement given to The Verge, the delay is due to a component quality issue that is affecting a small number of units. While Google claims the problem is minor, other signs suggest that the issue might be more significant than they are letting on. One of the biggest red flags is that Google has not sent out review units to tech journalists. Typically, major smartphone brands provide early access to reviewers so they can test the device and share their thoughts before the official release. The absence of these early reviews raises concerns that Google may be dealing with a more serious hardware defect and wants to fix the issue before exposing the phone to public scrutiny. This isn't the first time Google has faced hardware issues with its Pixel lineup. Many past models have experienced technical problems at launch, sometimes requiring software patches or even hardware replacements. The Pixel 2, for example, had microphone issues that caused audio to drop during phone calls, and some units suffered from screen burn-in, where faint images remained on the display. The Pixel 3 series had its own set of problems, including buzzing sounds, flickering screens, and a strange bug that prevented the other person on a call from hearing the Pixel user. Even the Pixel 4 had its fair share of issues, such as a popping sound during video playback. These recurring problems led to class action lawsuits and damaged the Pixel brand's reputation. Over the past few years, Google has worked to improve its hardware reliability, and recent Pixel devices have launched with fewer major issues. This makes the decision to delay the Pixel 9a seem like a cautious and strategic move. Rather than risking another wave of customer complaints or potential recalls, Google appears to be taking extra time to address the issue before making the phone widely available. While this delay may frustrate eager buyers, it could ultimately prevent the hassle of dealing with defective devices that require repairs or replacements. Google has not revealed exactly which component is causing the problem or how long it will take to fix. If the issue is truly minor and limited to a small number of units, the Pixel 9a could still be released within a few weeks. However, if the problem is more widespread, the delay could extend further, leaving potential buyers uncertain about when they will be able to get their hands on the phone. For those who are looking forward to upgrading to the Pixel 9a, this situation might be disappointing. However, waiting a little longer for a well-functioning device is far better than rushing to buy a phone that could have major flaws. Google's decision to postpone pre-orders also suggests that the company is trying to be more transparent and avoid the kinds of issues that have hurt previous Pixel launches. It remains to be seen how Google will handle this situation in the coming days. If the company can quickly resolve the issue and ensure the Pixel 9 meets quality standards, it could still have a strong launch. But if the delay stretches on without clear communication, it could create uncertainty among buyers and give competitors an opportunity to attract customers looking for a reliable mid-range phone. For now, all we can do is wait for further updates from Google. If you are planning to buy the Pixel 9a, this delay might be frustrating, but it's likely for the best. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think Google is making the right decision, or should they have handled it differently? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More updates are coming soon. See you in the next video. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200 megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12 megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Arbor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models.